Good morning, children. We are going to do another statement problem using rank. Exercise 1.1, question number 8. An amount of 5,000 is to be deposited in 3 different bonds. So the first statement says an amount of 5,000 is to be deposited in 3 different bonds. Immediately we shall write, let the 3 different bonds be, we shall give the name, say, X, Y and Z. So let the 3 different bonds be X, Y and Z. Now total amount is 5,000. So that means what would be my equation? X plus Y plus Z is equal to 5,000. So this is my first equation. The second line says the 3 different bonds are bearing the percentage 6, 7 and 8. So that means to calculate the annual income, we need these percentages. So first bond is X and the percentage is 6. So it will give me an annual income 6x by 100. The second bond is at 7%. So how will I write it? Second bond is Y actually. So 7y by 100. And the third bond is 8%. So I will write 8z by 100. And the total of all these 3 together gives me an annual income of rupees 358. So put together the bonds give me the annual income 358. So I can immediately cross multiply and rewrite the equation like this. Cross multiplying 6x plus 7y plus 8z is equal to 358 into 100. So 35,800. Now what does the next statement say? If the income from first 2 investments is rupees 17 more than the income from the third. So first 2 let me add. The total of that is 70 more than the third one. That means total of first 2. This is first 2. 6x by 100 plus 7y by 100. This is 70 more than the third one. Means subtract the third one from this and my answer will be 17. See how we frame the equation? Income from the first 2. That means I am adding the first and second. 70 more than the income from the third. That means from the first 2, subtract the third one, I get the answer 17. Again here, let me cross multiply. So I get 6x plus 7y minus 8z is equal to 70 into 100. So that is 7,000. And now we need to find the amount of investment in each bond using rank. So let us rewrite the 3 equations using the model Ax equal to B. So Ax equal to B form. We will write all the coefficients. What are the coefficients here? Say 1, 1, 1. Second equation 6, 7, 8. Third equation 6, 7 minus 8. Into what will come? The 3 different variables. What are the variables? X, Y, Z equals to B. B represents the right hand side. What is the right hand side? 5,000. First equation. Second equation 35,800. Third equation 7,000. So Ax equal to B form. My next step is to find the augmented matrix, that is join A and B. So we have written the augmented matrix. Now first row, first element is 1. To bring zeros in second and third row, what is our procedure? We write R2 becomes R2 minus R1. But how many R1? Here the number 6 means multiply by 6 and then subtract. So R2 minus 6R1. We can also use these two, which is easy for us. R2 minus R3 is simple for us. R3 becomes R3 minus R2. See what answer we get. Let us subtract first one. First row no change, write as it is. Second row. Before that we will do third row, that is easy for us. R3 minus R2. 6 minus 6, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. Minus 8, minus 8. It is minus 16. 7,000 minus 35,800. So it will be minus 28,800. 7,000 minus 35,800 will give me what? Minus 28,800. My next step, I need to find this R2 minus 6R1. So let me write what is R2. R2 values 6, 7, 8, 35, 800. Minus 6R1. R1 multiply by 6. So 6, 6, 6 multiplying by 6 is 30,000. 6, 6, 6, 30,000. Actually, I want minus 6R1. So change the symbol. Now what is my answer? 6 minus 6, 0. 7 minus 6, 1. 8 minus 6, 2. 35,800 minus 30,000 will give me 5,800. So this will be my second row. So second row 0, 1, 2, 5,800. Now check whether this is an echelon form. What is echelon form? We treat 1 0 in second row means 2 zeros must be in third row. So this is in echelon form. I can immediately write the equations. So we say this is in echelon form. And once I say they are in echelon form, I have to write what is row of A. What is row of A? Row of A means hide the last column. See how many non-zero elements? 1, 2, 3. So we have row of A is 3. What about row of AB? That is also having 1, 2, 3. So 3 non-zero rows. So row of A and row of AB are equal, and this is equal to the number of unknowns. So immediately I can declare there is an unique solution. So because row of A, row of AB and number of unknowns are equal, the system is consistent and we have only unique solution. How to go with a unique solution? We need to write the 3 different equations. So let us write the 3 different equations using the echelon form. So how will you write the equations? 1, 1, 1 multiply by x, y, z. X plus y plus z equal to 5,000. So first equation, x plus y plus z is equal to 5,000. Second equation, y plus 2z. Y plus 2z equal to 5,800. And third equation, this is 0, this is 0. Only this is left out. Minus 16z is equal to minus 28,800. Now from the last equation, I can get what is z? Minus 28,800 divided by minus 16. Cancel minus and minus. 28,800 by 16 gives you, calculate. 28,800 by 16 gives you 1800. So I'm able to find out what is Z. Put this back in the second equation. Y plus 2 into Z. Z value 1800, that is equal to 5800. For clarity's sake, mark the equations 1, 2 and the third one. This is 3. So third equation gives me Z value. Second equation, I substitute Z, Y plus 2 into 1800, 3600 is equal to 5800, or Y is equal to 5800 minus 3600, you get 2200. So having found Y and Z value, put it back in the very first equation. First equation implies X plus Y value 2200, Z value 1800 is equal to 5000. Simplifying this answer, X plus 2200 plus 1800, 4000 equal to 5000, or X is equal to 5000 minus 4000 will give me the answer 1000. Take and write the answer. So 6% bond is there from the question. 6, 7 and 8. So 6% bond, 7% bond and 8% bond. The question is, find the amount of investment. So we will give the general heading amount of investment. All the statement problems expect you to write the answer in statements. So amount of investment in 6% bond is X value. So what is X value? Rupees 1000. And 7% bond is Y value. What is Y value? Rupees 2200. And at 8% bond is Z value. Z value is rupees 1800, and that is the required answer.